June 17th, the 2026 Shantui Global Customer Festival kicked off in Jining, Shandong. Guests from around the world gathered for this grand event. How has it been received on site? Let's take a look.
It's a very big ceremony and very interesting, and I discover a lot of new things from Shantui.
Yeah, it's very good, very interesting. Developments, I think, for the future are going to be good for everybody.
A lot of new innovations. I have a very good feeling about it. First and foremost, autonomous vehicles is very interesting, and I think it has a lot of potential for Shantui, for our team together.
我感觉本次这个活动非常震撼啊，包括这个电动花呀，包括整个设备的从大马力到小马力啊，非常震撼。
We are happy here with the Shantui company, and it is very interesting that Shantui company using AI in their equipment. We are glad to Shantui company that show us that new things in that things.
We are going to increase our cooperation with and deepen our cooperation with Shantui, because we see lots of opportunities.